Today, I ask the questions.
And I answer them.
After that, you repeat my answers.
Or answer about yourself. Ready? Let's go.
First question, what's your name?
My name is Anna.
First question, what's your name? Where are you from?
I'm from Indonesia.
Where are you from? How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
How old are you? What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
What do you do? What do you teach?
I teach English.
What do you teach? Are you married or single?
I'm single.
Are you married or single? Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I do. I have one brother and one sister.
Do you have any brothers or sisters? Are you the oldest?
No, I'm the youngest.
Are you the oldest? What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading and watching movies.
What do you like to do in your free time? What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedy movies
What kind of movies do you like? Why comedy?
because they make me laugh.
Why comedy? What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is fried rice.
What's your favorite food? Can you cook?
Yes, but not very well.
Can you cook? What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6 in the morning.
What time do you usually wake up? Are you a morning person?
No, I'm not.
Are you a morning person? What languages can you speak?
I can speak Indonesian and English.
What languages can you speak? Is English easy for you?
Not always.
Is English easy for you? What are you good at?
I'm good at explaining things.
What are you good at? What are you bad at?
I'm bad at singing.
What are you bad at? What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What's your favorite color? What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
What kind of music do you like? Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
Do you like traveling? What's your dream place to visit?
I want to visit Japan
What's your dream place to visit? Why Japan?
because the culture is interesting.
Why Japan? Finally, how would you describe yourself?
I'm friendly, curious, and hardworking.
Finally, how would you describe yourself? If you like English learning video like this,
Don't forget to subscribe and like if you haven't.
share with your friends and leave a comment.
Speak English out loud. Don't be shy.
Practice makes progress. See you in the next video.
Welcome to ESC Speaking and Conversation, your channel.
where you learn English and improve your speaking.
I am Lucy.
And I am Max.